This evening, firefighters are continuing to work at Brighton's iconic Royal Albion Hotel after a fire broke out early yesterday evening. Operations were scaled back this morning, but strong winds have hampered efforts to put out the flames.
A woman has been injured in East London after strong winds blew scaffolding onto her car. Emergency services were called to Dalston Lane in Hackney yesterday afternoon. The woman was inside of her car when the incident happened, and she's currently being treated in hospital. Her condition is not known. A wind warning had been in place for London until midnight on Saturday.
Hello there, very good afternoon to you. I hope you're having a lovely weekend. It was very windy indeed and fairly wet, particularly across southern parts yesterday. But today, although we are sticking with the showery theme, the strength of the wind really is going to be focusing on the northeastern areas, particularly northeastern England. Very windy indeed for you as we continue through the weekend.
Hello, good afternoon. Well, following what was, of course, a very warm June, then you won't have failed to notice that it's been a very wet July so far. In fact, crunching all the statistics, most of us have seen above average rainfall, and there's not much change as we head through the rest of the month either. Staying very unsettled. This has been happening this weekend, a very deep area of low pressure for this time of year, moving its way northwards and eastwards. Some strong gusty winds on that southern flank, and yesterday, many spots across England and Wales saw gusts of wind of over 50 miles an hour. Here are those wind gusts from yesterday. It is a bit less windy for most of us today, but still blustery for this time of year. There'll be some sunny spells, yes, but also some more thunderstorms breaking out in places, particularly for northeastern areas of Scotland. And it is set to stay cool as well as we head through the weekend. We're always on the cooler side of the jet stream. Here it is. So that intense heat hanging on across much of southern Europe, but it's not really going to be touching us. In fact, we're going to see more low pressure systems just slip their way southwards and eastwards across the UK. So it is going to be staying very unsettled as we head through much of the rest of the month. Here's the outlook for our capital cities, but warm when the sun shines, of course. Bye-bye.
Hello again. Hope you've all had a lovely Sunday so far. Well, overall this weekend has been unsettled and blustery for many of us, but things are looking much quieter as we go into the new week, so it will be less windy out there. Still a few showers around at times, especially on Monday, but for most of us, a good deal of dry weather in the forecast, and we'll see some bright or sunny spells too.
Good evening. Well, it's been a changeable sort of weekend. We've had a bit of sunshine around, but also plenty of really heavy downpours around too. This was the picture just off the coast of Norfolk taken an hour or so ago. Still some big shower clouds, and we've had some rumbles of thunder pushing their way gradually eastwards as well. The theme continues for the next 24 hours or so. So another day of sunshine and showers through tomorrow, but not quite as frequent or as heavy as they've been through the weekend, and slightly lighter winds than we've seen over the past few days too.
Hello there. It's been another day with some blustery showers, but also some sunny spells around at times too. It is set to stay very unsettled as we head through the rest of the week, and it's been a very wet July so far.